Hey everyone! While there isn't a direct option to update your email address, you can create a new Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account with your new email. To do this, you'll need to reset and reconfigure your router. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to close your existing Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account associated with the old email. To do this, we can use the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app. Log into the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app and tap on the menu icon. Next, tap on My Account. Then scroll down the bottom and tap on Close Account. Step 2. Reset your router. First, make sure that your router is connected to a power source and is turned on. Press and hold the reset button located at the bottom of the device. The light on top of the node will flash bright red, then dim out in 3 pulses, followed by one final bright red flash. After that, the light will turn off. You can now release the reset button. This process takes approximately 10 to 20 seconds. Once the router has been reset, it's time to set it up again. Use the 5-press setup method. This method is the easiest and quickest way to set up both your parent and child nodes. Please refer to the link in the description below for the details on how to set up your router using the 5-press setup method. Step 4. Once the setup is done, it's now time to create a new Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. First, connect your device to the newly created Wi-Fi network. Then, open the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi app and tap the Login button. Next, the login screen will be displayed. Click the Create an Account link. Now enter the new email address and password you wish to associate with the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. Then click the Create an Account button. You will receive a welcome email containing a link to validate your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account. Click the link to activate the account you just created. Once done, click the Next button. The process of linking your router to your Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account will now begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the dashboard is displayed, your router has been successfully associated with your new Linksys Smart Wi-Fi account.